Today we're diving into a topic that gets a lot of guys curious: testosterone. It's the hormone that fuels that deep voice, muscle growth, and let's be honest, a good chunk of our confidence. But as we age, testosterone levels can naturally decline. In this video, we'll explore 10 delicious foods that might give your testosterone a natural boost, all as part of a healthy lifestyle. So, why is testosterone so important anyway? Well, picture it like the conductor of the man orchestra. It plays a key role in several areas. Building muscle. Testosterone helps build muscle mass and strength, which is why that teenage growth spurt involved a lot of push-ups and a sudden fascination with weights. Sex drive. Testosterone is a major player in maintaining your libido or sex drive. Bone health. It helps keep your bones strong and dense as you age. Energy levels. Testosterone can also impact your overall energy levels and mood. While there's no magic bullet food to turn you into Captain America overnight, including these testosterone-friendly options in your diet can be a great strategy. Leafy green power. We're talking spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These bad boys are packed with magnesium, a mineral that studies suggest may be linked to increased testosterone production. Fatty fish feast. Salmon, tuna, sardines. These guys are swimming with healthy fats and vitamin D, both potentially beneficial for testosterone levels. Eggs. Don't just have them for breakfast. Eggs are a complete protein source and contain vitamin D, which might be helpful for testosterone. Oysters. These aphrodisiacs aren't just a myth. Oysters are rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for testosterone production. Berrylicious boost. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These antioxidant powerhouses can help combat free radical damage and potentially support testosterone production. Nuts and seeds. Nature's multivitamin. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, they're loaded with healthy fats, zinc, and magnesium, all potentially beneficial for testosterone. Olive oil, the heart-healthy hero. This oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, which some studies suggest might be linked to higher testosterone levels. Bean bonanza, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, both beneficial for overall health and potentially supporting testosterone levels. Cruciferous crusaders, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These contain indole 3-carbinol, a compound that might help regulate testosterone metabolism. Ginger up your life. This versatile spice has shown promise in some studies for potentially improving testosterone levels, although more research is needed. These are just some potential contributors to a healthy testosterone range, and individual results may vary. It's crucial to focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and managing stress for optimal testosterone health. Let me know in the comments what testosterone-friendly foods you love, and if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. As always, I'm not a doctor, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Until next time, stay healthy and stay tuned.